Hi, everybody. Spencer Carroll here, and I'm going to show you how to register for a Trump account for your child. We had a daughter in 2025, so she's eligible for the $1,000 contribution from the government, but you can open a Trump account for any child of yours that is under the age of 18. Your CPA can also do this for you by filing Form 4547 with your 2025 tax return, but they do have this nice little website set up where you can do it yourself. So it's trumpaccounts.gov if you're looking for this, and we're going to go through it together. Very easy, takes less than 5 minutes. So we'll click on Get Started. First, it's going to ask some questions about the parent. So I'm going to type in my first and last name, and I am not going to share a lot of real information because that is not for everyone to know. So we're going to use a fake social security number for myself, and it wants to know my date of birth. So I am going to use a fake date of birth for myself. And then it also wants to know where you live. So I'm going to put in a random address. I'm going to say I live at 101 5th Street in Miami, Florida, 33428. I am going to enter my phone number, 333-555-8888, and it wants to know my email address. So I will put in spencer@me.com, and they will be in contact with me when it is time to actually open the account with the plan administrator. So after it has your information, it wants to know about your child. So I'm going to say we named him or her Spencer Jr. I'm going to also give a fake social security number for the internet, and then I'm going to enter a fake date of birth for my child, and it wants to know if he or she is a U.S. citizen. I'm going to click yes, and it knows based on the date of birth and the fact that it's a U.S. citizen with a social security number that my child is in fact eligible for the $1,000 pilot program contribution. So that's free money. You should take advantage of it if you get the chance. I'm going to click yes, confetti. Ask my relationship to the child. I am the parent. The child lives with me, so not at a different address, and I am authorized to open this Trump account for my child. If I had more than one, you can add other kids to your initial registration, but then it wants you to consent that the information is correct, sign, and date the form. I am not going to submit it because this is not real information, but as you can see, very easy, probably less than 3 minutes if you have all the information handy. You won't get the $1,000 until July 4th of 2026 at the earliest, and then parents, grandparents, employers can contribute up to $5,000 per year into your kid's Trump account. And then at 18, they can start to withdraw for school or starting a business. And if they don't choose to use the money for those reasons, it turns into a traditional IRA of sorts. So again, your CPA can file this for you with Form 4547, but if you are filing yourself with TurboTax or you just want to do it yourself, there is trumpaccounts.gov and very easy. So hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching.